We know that the inflation is a global in nature. There are many factors that have gone into that's caused this inflation, and Canada is not immune to it. Of course, the pandemic has a big role to play. You've heard from other members, the unjustified, unwarranted war by Russia on Ukraine is another big reason that has caused this inflation. But we need to, of course, find made in Canada solution to help people, and that's why as I said earlier, C-30 and C-31, both those particular bills are so important because they are providing for those targeted reliefs for individuals. In this particular case, under C-30, we are doubling the GST tax credit for individuals and for families who qualified for 6 months. That's real relief that is going to deliver about $2.5 billion in additional support to roughly 11 million Canadians. That's a very significant number of people that's going to benefit. Just to give you an idea that if this legislation passes, and I hope all members would support this legislation as I intend to do so, that from the period of July 2022 through June of 2023 benefit year, eligible people can receive up to $467 for singles without children, $612 for married or common law partners, $612 for single parents, and $161 for each child under the age of 19. That is, Madam Speaker, is quite a significant additional contribution to those individuals so that they can work through this inflationary period. And of course, as we're starting to see from economic indicators, that inflation rate is starting to abate, and hopefully that will continue to happen. But we're not stopping there, Madam Speaker. We are also providing for a one-time rent supplement of about $500, again, to those who qualify for that kind of support, to ensure that they are able to pay for that extra cost that they may be facing, so that they are not at risk for homelessness. That is an important priority for our government, to ensure that people have access to affordable housing, and that particular support is going to be of significant benefit to that. But lastly, a program, an initiative, which is also much needed, very similar to creating a national child care program, is what we're doing in terms of creating a dental program for young people, to again make sure that young individuals, young Canadians can have access to good dental care. It is essential to their health, and by providing the support for those who are making, I believe it's $90,000 or less, they are able to get those dental care and be able to stay healthy. This is going to be yet another meaningful savings for individuals. Not only that, it allows for them to live healthy lives. Speaker, you can really see a theme. Thank you. You can really see a theme that the supports that we are providing are targeted, are focusing on people who need the help or the support the most. But it also has a huge benefit, whether it is getting good child care or improving your health, or making sure that you do not become homeless. This is going to help our economy. This is going to help all Canadians, because our number one job as this government, and my focus as a member of Parliament for Ottawa Centre, is to help build an economy that works for all Canadians. Thank you very much, Madam Speaker.